The Fall Wave is the workshop and vehicle evaluation event where we're bringing all the schools and their cars to GM's Milford Proving Ground to inspect the vehicles, make sure they're in compliance with all of our safety rules, that they're safe to drive. There's also a workshop where students will get hands-on training with Cohda wireless DSRC radios that they'll use to implement connectivity features on their vehicles.
As the lead inspector for the vehicle technical inspections, I've been thoroughly impressed with the level of integration as well as overall reliability and functionality of these vehicles, given the fact that this is the first inspection they've experienced in this competition series.
The teams have worked hard despite all the COVID issues they've had to deal with at their schools and elsewhere. Have done just a great job of getting their vehicles up and running.
I love Milford. It never gets old being able to see the behind the scenes work at GM. After 2 years of having to deal with COVID, being able to finally lay eyes on other people's cars is just a super cool experience, and also getting to meet organizers who I've never had the chance to meet before.
All the different teams are so friendly with each other, and especially like Georgia Tech, I'm so happy to be sharing a pit with them. They've been sending us advice with problems that we're having, and even comparing data and stuff like that, so we can get our own system working.
The training with the Cohda radio is giving me a lot of exposure, industrial exposure. It is very lucrative for every industry, and they're looking for people out there. It's my honor that I'm able to get training from the best people around here.
This is a great opportunity for my future career because I get hands-on experience in a field that I enjoy working in.